Okay, this demonstration is one that you've probably not heard before. Hey. And maybe there's a good reason for that. I think a lot of people would think it's not very important. I, on the other hand, think it's very important. How to take a bird out of a dog's mouth. The obvious answer to how you do that is fetch, hold, out, or fetch, hold, drop, a three-part thing. That prevents mouth problems and other things. But beyond that, how do you take a bird from the dog based on the test you're running? So let's say, before we do that, I really want to thank all of the people that have joined the Patreon group, because it's really been fun so far. And I really am grateful and thankful for y'all doing that. It's helping me so I can afford to do some of the videos and whatnot, especially the ones that I have to travel to. So, in fact, we just posted yesterday a really good discussion with Ray Vreeland, who is, everybody knows who he is. He just was inducted into the Hall of Fame. He's judged, over the last 50 years, he's judged at least 2 trials a year. That puts him over 100 points of judging, plus many field champions, and he's a true amateur. Amateur being a person that trains his own dog. One of the things that I'm really struggling to teach people how to do. Anyway, so let's assume we've got a test here. And if there's just say there's a mark in that direction, back. It doesn't matter how you take the bird, because maybe maybe it was a single, sit. But let's say, sit. There's a mark over there through that cover. And then there's a mark here. Back. What I don't want to do is what I'm doing now, getting the bird here, the return here, and then have to coax him over this way into the cover. So what I want to do instead of that, heel, sit, here, sit. What I want to do instead of that, here, back. Heel. I want to take this bird, I don't want to take it like this, I want to take it from this side, so I'm pulling in the direction of that fall. Back. Okay, I'm going to say that again. Heel. So, sit. So if I have a fall over here, like that, and I'm assuming you maybe just have a left-handed dog, so I'll just leave the dog on the left. Sit. Back. What you don't want to do, in my opinion, is take the dog, sit, heel, sit. You don't want to take the dog this way, because that's actually pulling in this direction. You want to take the bird from this side, so you're pulling in that direction. So it's more, fetch, heel, sit, out, back. Good. Sit. Conversely, if you have a bird over here, sit, heel, sit, back. So now what I want to do, sit, is take the bird this way, so I'm going into the place, sit, back, that I want to send the dog. So I'm using how I take the dog, the bird, I keep saying that, I'm sorry about that, how I take the bird, so I'm leading one way or the other and sort of guiding rather than taking the bird on the wrong side and then having to reposition. Essentially, you use, if a bird is over here and you have a little slot that you want to go through, you take the bird this way so you can pull the dog into where you want to go. Or if you're over there, you want to go on this side and pull the dog in the direction you want to go on that way. That's it.
The voice of the Lord echoes over the sky and the sea. The God of glory thunders in the clouds. The voice of the Lord is brilliant and powerful and full of majesty.